Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Forgive the way I look right now. I obviously have no makeup on. I have my glasses on. So I just want to do this little video. As I'm sure most of you know, there's something called Ipsy, as you can see. And this is actually my first bag. I kind of looked at it a little bit, but I didn't really go over anything. So I'm going to show you what's in the bag. There's 5 items. I have to say that for my first bag, I assumed it was going to be full-size products. But I got a lot of mini ones, so I was a little disappointed in that because some of the mini things are almost like too small. But I'm going to just keep going at it because I just signed up. It was only like 14 bucks a month, which isn't really too bad. And every month you get a cute bag. This bag, I love it because it's very sparkly. But the only thing I'm not sure I'm going to like is that it's rough sparkles. It's not smooth. So the glitter kind of gets everywhere. There is even some on the outside of this bag. That's not too much of a big deal, but you can see, I don't know if you can see that, there's glitter right there. I mean, it's only one little spot, but I probably won't necessarily keep this in my bag for touch-ups because glitter's probably going to get everywhere. But other than that, I think it's cute. It has this little zipper, and I'm going to open that up, and we'll start taking stuff out. And let me see, I got to read the card. Oh, the card explains everything, so forgive me, I gotta read this cheat sheet. And that's why I actually wear my glasses, because I can read the small print a little better than I can with my contacts. Okay, let's see, I'm just reaching in here. Oh, the first item is a gel eyeliner in Tapioca Pearl. It's Shades by Shan. And it's the silver black eyeliner lets you create ultra-defined looks that won't smudge. Its unique formula is creamy, long-wearing, and delivers incredible one-stroke application. It's also formulated with jojoba oil to keep stubborn dry eyes away, but iconic looks in. Okay, I'm not sure about the iconic looks thing, but I don't even know if I can open this because I have no nails. I just filed my nails down. Oh my goodness. Because I want to show you the shade. Oh, what? I know it's for hygienic, but these things are a pain in the butt. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. Because I want to just actually show you what oh, this is great. Look at this. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to mess with the cap. I can put the cap back on, but trying to get that plastic crap off. All right, let's see. We're going to turn it up. And if you can see, it is like a silvery gray color, which could be really pretty for the holidays. And I'm just going to put it on my hand. Oh, not bad. And it feels really creamy. Yeah, and once it dries, it should stay put. But I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little tinge of glitter in there. Isn't that pretty? I think it's very pretty. Oh, and if you guys hear that noise in the background, please forgive me. I'm actually in my living room, and that's my fish tank that's making all that noise. All right, the next item we have, look at my cheek, is Duraleague Softening Body Lotion Rose. Huh. Okay. Luxurious roses are the signature ingredient in this indulgent body lotion, providing the floral and soothing fragrance. It's also enriched with macadamia seed and avocado oils for extra hydration and is quickly absorbed, leaving your skin velvety, soft, and radiant. This is definitely a mini size, which I guess is kind of good because if you get a mini one and you don't like it and you had bought a full size, it could, it could cause you to, think that you wasted your money. But I still like full size. I mean, this will probably go a little ways. Doesn't smell bad. Put a little in my hand. You guys can see that. Oh, it's nice. It's creamy. And it blends in really nice. Oh, it smells so nice if you like the scent of rose. I don't usually have anything rose scented. So this is a nice, as you can see, it blends right into your skin. I guess these would be great for travel size, which wouldn't be bad. But sometimes I just prefer full size things. Oh my God, this is so teeny. Hopefully I can open it without plastic on it. This is a Double Duty Beauty from Tarte. It neutralizes dark under eyes and discolorations with the help of this creamy color corrector. It's long-lasting, full coverage, and packed with hyaluronic acid. I can't pronounce some of these weird words here, guys. To help hydrate your under eye area. I do have darkness under my eyes, but I'm not going to try it under my eyes. But I'm just going to put a little on my hand. I've never used a color corrector, and this is kind of like a little peachy shade, so I'm going to just, that's what it looks like. It's really not bad. It might be a little dark for my skin tone, but it's a color corrector. So I'm looking forward to see how it works, and if I like it, I will get the full size. Because I tend to get dark circles under my eyes, and I hate it, and I get the bags, but which can age you a little bit. That's why I just figured I'd try this Ipsy, so I can try different products, and if I like them, I'll get full size, and I can definitely show you guys. The next item we have is from Gold Fadden MD. It's a lip therapy restoring lip treatment. Oh, I could always use this, especially in the wintertime. My lips can get really dry, and it says, instantly boost, hydrate, and condition your lips with help from this antioxidant-rich lip treatment. It helps revitalize with an enriched blend of powerful moisturizers and a multi-active peptide complex. Okay, let's give this a try. And also with Ipsy, I believe that before you get your next bag, they let you choose products. So I'm sure you could order full-size products of whatever you like. I'm gonna, let me see. I'm just trying to get a little bit out. And that's what it looks like. It's very clear. And it's kind of minty. It feels okay on the lips. I have to say this. It feels a little touch greasy. I'm not sure I'd buy a full-size one, but I'm going to give it a try and see how it works. Even a little tube like this can last a little while. I mean, I'm not sure how long, like how often you use it or whatever, or how long the hydration lasts, but it does add a little gleam to your lips, but not too bad. And it smells very minty. And the last item we have, and I'm really looking forward to using these, is the Aciology Hydra Glow and Energizing Green Tea Eye Mask. I'm not going to open this because once you open it, if you don't use it, the product will dry out. So I'm really looking forward to using this. And you get 2 sets, which isn't too bad. I think that give you an opportunity to really try it. It has green tea extract, cucumber extract, and caffeine. So I'm really looking forward to using these, especially with Christmas being tomorrow. It can get very stressful, very chaotic. But I do love Christmas, and I love spending time with my family. Okay, enjoy the benefits of both. This eye mask contains an expertly crafted blend of green tea extract and caffeine with cucumber extract plus melatonin to visibly invigorate your under eyes. And it says you leave it on for like 20 minutes. I mean, there's nothing better than self-care to take care of yourself. Because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of other people. That's it for all the stuff that's in the Ipsy bag. I think this will be something fun. You get it once a month. So I'm looking forward to doing another video and showing you all the goodies I have inside. And before I end this video, I would like to say thank you to all the people that viewed my last video. I was very, very surprised. I actually had over 100 views. That means everything to me. I've had this channel for almost 3 years, and it hasn't really taken off, which is okay because I enjoy doing it. And if I can help somebody feel good or show them a new fun look, I absolutely love makeup. I love playing around with it. So I just want to say thank you to all the views that I got in my last video. It just really made my day to see that many views. And like always, if you like this video and you'd like to see more, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. You can leave comments of anything you might like to see, or even suggest ways to make my videos better. That's also fine with me. I just again want to say thank you, and I wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. Be safe, be happy, and play it forward and do something nice for somebody else. Well, that's it. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.